Hey everyone, welcome back to CraftyPlannerLovR. My name is Megan and today we are going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks dupe planner for the week of May 11th through the 17th using the Lace and Lavender kit from BlessUrHeartStickers. This is one of my absolute favorite collections, and I actually have the journaling kit as well in this collection, and I am so excited to use it. I'm actually going to use it next week, I think, in my work planner, but this is what we have for this week. This is what the kit looks like. This is in the old version, so you have 2 pages in the old version. This new version has 3, but in this one you have the days of the week here, your beautiful deco, and all of the fun washi strips, and then over here you have your functional stickers and then a couple of more pieces of deco, and this one comes with a few icons as well. So that is what we have for this kit. If you guys are interested in saving some money off of your order from BlessUrHeartStickers, you can use my PR code Megan15. It will save you 15% off and you will receive my freebie. This is the freebie for the months of May and June. When the month of June either ends or in the middle of June, we will have a new set of freebies. So keep your eye out. You guys have a little bit of time to grab it. So definitely shop on her site and use my code. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin with this week. Did you guys have a good Mother's Day week? I hope so. I hope your week was really good and you were able to hang out with your mom or, you know, whoever you call mom in your family. Hope that you are having a good week and that, you know, you are looking forward to the summer, because summertime is definitely something I am looking forward to. I think I'm going to take this piece and I'm actually going to cut it in half and use it as an extra washi piece because I really like it and I think it would look really cute as a double washi piece. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna take this guy, I'm gonna put it up here like we have, and then again I'm gonna cut this in half, and I'm gonna do this half up here, and then this half at the bottom down here, because I just feel like that would be really, really pretty in our little spread. That looks nice. I'm okay with that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the weekend banner right here, and let's do our days of the week. I like to take them off the sticker paper and add them this way because I'm weird like that. These were a little bit off cut, but I think it will look okay once I add it down. Honestly, it's just Tuesday that is the big Tuesday and Thursday because they have the biggest word, but it's all good with me. This kit is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I am getting really sleepy. The caffeine that I had today literally just wore off as I'm filming, and I'm crashing hard. I can feel myself trying to go to sleep. Do you guys have that? I don't know if that's like an ADHD thing, because I'm pretty sure I have undiagnosed ADHD. I never got diagnosed with it, but I definitely think that I should get diagnosed and see why I act the way I do, because let me tell you guys, the symptoms are there, and like I am all over the place all the time. It's just, it's interesting because, like, you know, that wasn't something that we did when I was growing up. We did not diagnose with that kind of stuff. So I'm interested to see like if I actually do have it, because I can feel myself literally about to crash as I am filming. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's definitely a thing that's happening. So please excuse me if I like get really silent just randomly throughout this video, because I did not expect. I was like, maybe it's because I filmed like 4 videos today, but I just did not expect myself to crash. These 2 stickers that I'm using as the headers, these are not from this kit. They're actually from the weekly reset kit that I used in my social media planner, but I like them because it gets like, it pulls in that like lighter pink, and those are the only 2 that I had left, and I was like, well, I might as well use them for decoration and stuff. So that's why I pulled it, in case you were wondering. But anyway, back to my discussion of, you know, ADHD. I think I may have it because, like I said, I did not get diagnosed for it, but I can tell that there are certain things that I have in my life that I just never could explain, like certain things that I do. I could also have, and my mom watches my videos, so she's gonna like yell at me. Well, not yell at me, but like be like, Megan, why wouldn't you, you know, express these concerns? Honestly, I didn't even think about it until a couple months ago, but I feel like if I don't have undiagnosed ADHD, I might have high functioning autism. And I only say this because I have a friend who I worked with on the Disney College program, and she has high functioning autism, and she is an absolute genius. She is just, I still talk to her to this day. She's one of my favorite people in the world, and we don't talk too much, like often, but we talk enough. And she has it, and she like, she has the same kind of symptoms that I have been exhibiting, and I've noticed that I did when I was younger as well. Like, she will have really intense, extreme fixations. And when I say like extreme, I mean to the point of like obsession. And I definitely had that growing up, and I still do. She would be just bonkers crazy sometimes, and like really hyper. And I definitely was like that growing up all the time. My parents were constantly telling me, Megan, you're way too hyper, you need to calm down. And honestly, sometimes it was because I had too much caffeine. But the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because I've been thinking about it a lot, and like now that I'm going to live with my sister over the summer, I'll have the opportunity to kind of like really sit down, and not that I didn't have this opportunity before, but like working with students kind of like opens your eyes to things that you didn't think about before, you know what I mean? As far as how things go in your life. And I was realizing that like there are some things that I really need to start sitting down and looking at as far as like myself goes, and that's one of them. And I don't know, the whole reason why I'm explaining this is because I have had like a lot of time to process this week, because we've been testing, so I've been standing there just listening to my own thoughts, watching the kids, making sure they're, you know, doing what they're supposed to and not trying to get on their phones and things like that. And these are just thoughts that I've been having, and I wanted to see, like, did you guys, maybe this is just a normal thing that people have, you know, maybe we just think about that kind of stuff just randomly, you know. But I thought, you know, maybe somebody on the internet will enlighten me to why I think like this, and like why I act like this, and why I am like this in general. You know, just food for thought, I guess. But anyway, the reason why I'm explaining this to you is because I have been extremely like all over the place this week and last week, and that was my thought process, is to like explaining to you guys about this, and hopefully I didn't offend anybody. Like, hopefully that, like, you guys understand what I'm trying to go through, like talk about, and you like get my thought process, if that makes sense. Yeah, but maybe you guys have some insights too. Maybe you are like, bro, no, this is totally normal. You're going through the same things that I had, same thought processes that I had growing up and all that stuff. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just how I am. I'm gonna put a coffee cup right here because this is testing day and I'm gonna need it. Another thing that I was thinking about today while we were doing our testing, because it's Monday that I'm filming right now, and we did some testing today, and maybe that's also why I'm tired. It's probably why I'm tired. Oh, I wanted to put this because it's gonna rain all this week, so why don't we put that one there? I wanted to put something here though. Well, maybe I'll put a box. I only have green and blue though, so maybe I could put the purple one here and the green one. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so let's do the green one here, and we'll put the purple one here, like this, and then up a little bit. This week has been really, really rough for me also, because I I don't feel guilty about talking about this whatsoever, and not that I would ever feel guilty about it, but I have PCOS, so I get tired really, like bone dead tired really, really easily, which is really just not fun, honestly. But I have PCOS, so I have been feeling exhausted every single day, and I've been trying to, I guess, like, just the way that the weather is right now is triggering it a lot more than it probably does normally. But I have been coming home every single day the past, like, last week and this week, and honestly for the past like 3 weeks, I'd say, and I have been crashing. I've been going straight to sleep, and sometimes I won't even have dinner, which is not good, but it's just like I have been so tired and just flat out not in the mood to do any kind of like socialization or anything. And I feel really guilty because I haven't been uploading my videos as often as I want to, and it's because I've just been exhausted. I haven't wanted to do anything or speak to anyone. So maybe, like, I don't know, maybe this is like, again, maybe this is a normal thing. Maybe I'm just weird and this is just a normal habit of getting older, but I don't know, you guys. This whole conversation began with me being absolutely super bone dead tired, just randomly out of the blue, so that's super fun. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about this washi tape that I wanted to add. I don't even know if I can, because, like, I did a lot. Maybe I can save this for my spread next week, because I don't think I can do any more on this. What do you guys think? Sorry for my, like, really random bout of awkward talking. Y'all know I go on these tangents sometimes, and I just don't think about anything else besides my tangent. So I'm so sorry if you guys are like, wow, Megan, you're in a weird situation. Yeah, I am for some reason. I am looking to see if I have any scripts that say plan or groceries, because I have my monthly that I still haven't put away from May, my monthly calendar and my social media planner. So I'm trying to see if I have any scripts that say to plan before I have to go grab another icon. Alright guys, that is it for this week. I really hope you guys liked it. I hope that my, talk about all of my questions on how my health is going is not freaking you out. But if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my Hobonichi Weeks playlist. I will leave it linked at the end of this video and in the description box below, along with the information for Bless Your Heart stickers, as well as my coupon code so you can save some money off of your order. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!